Hi, I'm Mike Baldino here at Salt City Steel. Today I'm going to go about making some Damascus, probably a twist pattern, make a nice little lineman's knife for my good buddy. First thing I'm going to do, head down to the shop, clean up some steel, and then I'll come back out here and do the forge welds. Alright, now that we got all those pieces cut of 1084 and 5920, I'm going to clamp them up and I'm going to fusion weld all four corners and a couple strips down the middle. Now because I'm fusion welding these, I don't have any mild steel that I'm introducing to this billet. The entire thing will be hardenable. Because the little bit you grind off when you're actually making the knife later on, you won't have to worry about the slight discrepancies that the fusion weld will create in the layers. So here's that. Alright, so the billet's all tacked up. I got it soaking in some hot borax water. I'm going to light the forge, get it up to welding temp, and then we'll start cycling it until we bring it up to the full welding temperature. see, the Damascus billet turned out really well, welded up nice and solid. We got a lot of twist layers in there, so it should look pretty sweet when we etch it. Right now I'm leaving it in the forge to cool down with the walls of the forge, to act as kind of an annealing process to soften up the steel a tiny bit, just so grinding will be a little bit easier. After this cools down, I'll go to the grinding room again, grind off all those tiny little ridges that exist. You see we rounded off that billet first, so there shouldn't be very many things you got to worry about. No real delaminations, no little cracks with the grind out. It's really just getting the whole thing nice and smooth before I go back and draw it out to the final shape.